Okay, so hi, I'm David, and this year I'm doing this Advent of Code thing, which is a collection of puzzles to be solved by programming. So I thought I might do the one of the puzzles from last year just to get a feel from it. So this is what it looks like. So there's some background story here, yada yada yada. Um, but the puzzle statement is given here. So we need to calculate how much fuel we need as a function of the mass of modules of Santa's rockets. So the formula is given here. Take the mass, divide by 3, round down, subtract 2. And these are some examples. So these could be nice unit tests. Um, Technically speaking, this could yield negative values, but I'm not sure we need to worry about that. So, looks like it sounds like we could start by writing a function to get the fuel for given mass. Okay. Um, you know what? I'm gonna do this kind of TDD way. So I'm gonna write the test first. So fuel for mass 12 equal 2. So if I run this, how does that work? Okay. Doesn't say why the assertion fails. Guess it's not as nice as PyTest in this regard. Okay. So divide by 3, round down. Actually, I'm not sure if I do this, do I get 4? Yes. Um, Divide by 3 minus 2. Okay. So let's include the other unit tests as well. There are 3 more. So mass of 14 should be 2. 69 should yield 654. And 10,00756 should yield this number here. Okay, so this function is most likely correct. So we're supposed to take the sum of the fuel requirements for all the modules on my spacecraft. Um, so we get this input here, which I'm going to save as input input 01. So it's a text file with many numbers, and they all seem to be large enough that we don't need to worry about the result becoming negative. Oh, he saved as input.txt file. Okay, that's fine. Let's write a quick function that takes a list of masses and returns the total fuel. None. And okay, let's take the same input we had here. So that 12, 14, 69, and that one. And this should be the sum of this. And this of course doesn't run because the function is not even defined. Masses, which is a list. And well, Python has this built-in sum of basically we map fuel for mass um, on the list of masses. Okay. Okay, so last thing we need to do now, we need to open this file, um, convert to, okay, with open input 01 as if so if I need to be careful because f.readlines will return a list of strings, so I need to parse this as integers. Something around these lines. Okay, um, that sh that should be the correct answer. So I think I'm supposed to copy paste this here now and submit. That's the right answer. And continue to part 2. Stop. Fuel itself requires fuel just to take its mass divided by 3 and for each module mass, calculate its fuel and add it to the total, then treat the fuel as the input mass and repeat the process continuing. I see. Yeah, okay. So one important thing is that we can't take the sum of the entire of all the fuel, and I mean we need to calculate the fuel requirements for each module one by one. Okay, the input is the same, right? So Okay, so I guess the unit tests. I wonder. Let's let's make a copy of this. I didn't know there was going to be a part two like this. So copy, paste, day one, part two. Maybe we'll rename this guy. How do I rename things? Yeah. Okay. um, I'm not too far. This is not the right name anymore. Fuel for module. The effector. Fuel for module of a given mass. So yeah, let's do a loop here. I'm gonna do a loop until the mass becomes non-positive. Okay, let's write the tests first. So module of 3 guys 654. 654 divided by 2, 216. So this should be amended. It should be 966, and the other one. Okay, so we have those wonderful unit tests here, and let's first make sure. Okay. I think I'm going to define a small sub function here. Fuel equal, which should be the same thing here. This is still valid, I think. So we have a module of a certain mass. So the result, let's say fuel for mass. Okay. So the result will be the final result. So while for mass greater than 0, uh, so while fuel result plus equal fuel, and then we need Okay, the fuel for the fuel. So fuel equals fuel for mass fuel. Okay, and while this is greater than 0, you add it, and that should pass those tests now. Yep, it does. Because the one that fails now, this is the one on line 22, which is not true anymore. We need to change these guys. And we even get the result here, which is not the same as before. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm confident. I think we get only one shot at this, so maybe that's yay. We'll complete day one. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna stop recording here.